Hi guys, with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can take care of your Ray-Ban uh, sunglasses. Any glasses that you can take care of this way. What I'm gonna explain right now. First things first. When you take it out your glasses, do not put this way. Like this way. Alright? When you put this way, your glass is gonna get scratched and you don't want that. So always be practice with yourself that you just take it out your glasses and put it this way or this way whenever you take it out, or this is the way you can put it. But best way to put this is the way you can put it, and protection, there is nothing to scratch it. But I saw so many people, they take it out their glasses and right away they put in this is the way, and then after that complaining that they have scratches all over the glass, so here, and then they are so sad about it because they paid so much money on their sunglasses. Hopefully you're gonna have a good habit when you take it out. Once again, just take it out your glasses and put it this direction, this way. Or if you have a box, sunglasses box, and then just put in your box, or any bag that you have, maybe something like this plastic bag, anything, just put it inside. Simple small bag, just put it in your this is a small bag, this bag, and then safe, it's not gonna be scratched, and you can put in your suitcase and anything that whatever you want to put it, but this is not gonna get scratched. This is the this way you can protect your sunglasses. Yeah, it's all about the good habit, when you do the good habit, and it's not gonna scratch your glasses. So another way to take care of your glasses, you need to clean with the microfabric cloth. Use this one only. Do not use t-shirt, do not use any other things that cleaning your glasses. This is the way then you should clean both way, like both way. It just circle around like this, then you clean the glasses and you will be happy. It's gonna go, maybe you can use forever. I mean, if you take care of such a way that what I am showing. See, it's so clean. Then once again, I'm gonna repeat myself. I mean, tell you again, whenever you take it out your glasses, please do not rush. Just concentrate that how you're gonna put your glasses on top of the table. This is the way you put the glasses and scratch free. And the other way you can put this way too, scratch free. And after that, your decision. So how you gonna put it? Hopefully this video helpful you guys, and just continue to make a good habit for yourself for in this life that is gonna be profit for you, and you don't need to waste your money and your time. Yeah, that's why you will be happy. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video. Bye bye.